And hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Now before you finish with the setup of your new Samsung phone, just stop for a second. Have you ever gone ahead and restored a backup and then realized that your photos were missing, opened WhatsApp and then found empty chats? Or even worse, accidentally just set up your new phone as new device and erase your transfer path. This is where most people make mistakes. Now switching to a new Samsung phone is pretty exciting. Losing your data definitely isn't. And in today's video, I'm going to show you the complete data transfer solution when switching to a new Samsung phone. We're going to be covering three major methods. Number one is going to be MobileTrans phone transfer. Number two will be MobileTrans WhatsApp transfer on mobile. And number three is Samsung Smart Switch. I will explain how each one works, when to use it, and which one makes the most sense depending on your situation. Now let's go ahead and get started. Starting off with part 1, MobileTrans phone transfer. Now let's start with a real-world situation. You are switching from an iPhone to a Samsung phone. Try restoring all of your data using the cloud. Now some data transfers, some does not. App data is incomplete, messages are missing, you're not sure what actually moved. And that is exactly where MobileTrans phone transfer becomes useful. Instead of relying on cloud syncing or Wi-Fi transfers, this tool connects both phones directly to a computer and transfers data device to device. Now that direct connection reduces transfer errors, especially when it comes to large data moves. Now this is a computer-based tool that allows you to transfer data directly from your old phone to your brand new Samsung device in just one click. And it does work for Android to Samsung, iPhone to Samsung, and even Android to Android transfers. The biggest advantage is that it supports a wide range of data types, including photos, videos, contacts, call logs, messages, apps, and more. Here's exactly how the MobileTrans phone transfer process works. Now first things first, just download and install Wondershare MobileTrans on your Windows or Mac computer. Open the software and then select phone transfer. Then just choose the phone to phone transfer option. Then connect both your old phone and your new Samsung device to your computer using USB cables. Make sure that the source and destination devices are correctly positioned. Then select the types of data that you want to transfer. Click start and then just wait for this process to complete. Within a few minutes, all of your selected data will be transferred safely to your new Samsung phone. This is the best method if you want a fast, stable, and complete transfer without relying on Wi-Fi or cloud backups. And now we've got part 2, MobileTrans WhatsApp transfer on mobile. Now let's go ahead and talk about the biggest stress point for most users, and that's usually going to be WhatsApp. Now many people do not realize that WhatsApp transfers between iPhone and Android can fail if the backup was not done correctly. Now sometimes chats do not restore, the media is missing, and sometimes the cloud backup is just not really compatible. If your main concern is WhatsApp data, including chats, voice messages, photos, and attachments, then MobileTrans WhatsApp transfer on mobile is a powerful solution. Unlike traditional backup methods that rely on Google Drive, this tool allows you to transfer WhatsApp directly between devices without any kinds of complicated steps. So here's exactly how that works. Now first things first, install the MobileTrans app on both your old phone and your new Samsung device. Open the app and then select WhatsApp transfer. Choose the transfer direction, which in this case will be from old phone to new Samsung. And then follow the on-screen instructions to establish a secure connection between both devices. Scan the QR code when prompted to authorize the transfer. And then just wait for the WhatsApp data to move to your new Samsung device. Once complete, verify your number on the new phone and access your chats. Now this method is ideal if you want a direct WhatsApp transfer without depending on cloud restore or worrying about backup compatibility issues. Which allows us to move on to part 3, how to transfer data with Samsung Smart Switch. The third method is Samsung's official tool, Samsung Smart Switch. This is a free app made by Samsung that allows you to transfer data from your old phone to your new Galaxy device. Now Smart Switch does support transfers from Android, iPhone, and even older Samsung devices. It can move contacts, photos, messages, apps, and settings. Smart Switch is completely free and built into most Samsung phones already. It works wirelessly or with a cable, and for many users, it works very well. Now here's exactly how to use Samsung Smart Switch on your device. Now first things first, install Samsung Smart Switch on both devices if it is not already pre-installed. Then open the app on your new Samsung phone, then select Receive Data. Choose whether you are transferring from Android or iPhone. Then select wireless transfer or connect both devices using a cable. Choose the kind of data that you want to transfer, then tap transfer and wait for the process to finish. This method works well for most users, especially if you prefer using Samsung's built-in ecosystem and just want a free solution. Now let's go ahead and talk about part 4. Which data transfer method should you choose? All three methods will work pretty well, but each one fits a different circumstance. Now you should choose MobileTrans phone transfer if you want the most complete and reliable data transfer using a computer. This is especially useful when moving large amounts of data or switching from iPhone to Samsung. Or you can choose MobileTrans WhatsApp transfer on mobile if WhatsApp chats are your top priority and you want a direct transfer without cloud backup limitations. Or just choose Samsung Smart Switch if you want a free and official Samsung solution that works wirelessly or even with a cable. If you're going to be switching from an iPhone to a Samsung phone and want maximum compatibility, the MobileTrans desktop tool usually offers the smoothest experience. And as such, let's get into part 5, tips for a smooth Samsung data transfer. Now before starting any transfer process, please keep these tips in mind. Fully charge both phones before beginning. Use original or high-quality USB cables for stable connections. Disable battery optimization when it comes to transferring apps if needed. Make sure that both phones stay connected during the entire process, and back up important data before transferring just in case. Now following these tips will help ensure a smooth and stress-free transition to your new Samsung device. And that's pretty much it. If you're holding your new Samsung phone right now and going through the setup process, pause for a moment before continuing. Decide which transfer method you're going to use and complete the full transfer before installing new apps or customizing your settings. Do not reset your old phone yet. First verify that all of your photos, messages, contacts, and WhatsApp chats have fully transferred. It is much easier to fix a transfer issue immediately than to realize something is missing days later. And if you are already mid-setup, save this video so that you can follow the steps carefully later. And if you think your transfer is finished, you just take a minute and double check everything, your gallery, your messages, WhatsApp media, and contacts before moving on. And before you leave, let me know in the comments whether you're switching from an iPhone or an Android phone and what data matters most to you. Finish that transfer first and enjoy your new phone. Each method works when it comes to different needs, but choosing the right one depends on how much data you're transferring and whether WhatsApp is a priority. Now, which method would you like me to go ahead and demonstrate in a full step-by-step walkthrough? Let me know in the comments, and if this video helped you, remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon, as I don't want you to miss any future videos like this one. Now, thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.